Hello dear students, welcome to Indian Academy Degree College Autonomous. This is Shalini from Department of Business Administration. Today, let us understand a concept in economics called as utility. All of you might have heard the term utility. Let us know the meaning of the term utility and how it is important in the daily life. Utility is want satisfying power of a commodity. Say for example, you are very thirsty, 40-degree temperature outside, you want to drink a cup of water, a glass of water. So the glass of water at that point of time will satisfy your want, which we call it as it has got utility. There are three different concepts in utility: initial utility, total utility and marginal utility. Initial utility. What is that initial utility? You are hungry, your friend offers a piece of cake. You feel very happy, enjoy the piece of cake and you say, yes, you are satisfied. That is what is called as initial utility. The initial satisfaction that you get from consuming a commodity is called as initial utility. Yes, your friend is excited and you are also happy. He offers you the second piece of cake. You are very happy at that point of time. You, without hesitation, you will take the second piece of cake. You feel very happy, your friend is happy too. So the second piece of cake will give you the total utility where you feel completely satisfied. Something is excited with your friend on that particular day, he will never stop and he offers you one more piece of cake. Mind students, that is the third piece of cake you are having continuously. The third piece of cake will give you an additional satisfaction which is called as marginal utility. Marginal utility is a very important concept in economics. Marginal utility is further divided into three different levels. Marginal utility is positive, marginal utility is zero and marginal utility becomes negative. Marginal utility being positive. Yes, I will come back to the same example. The third piece of cake, you are happy, your friend is too happy. Yes, there is something very serious with your friend, he will offer you the fourth piece of cake. What is going to happen? Without hesitation, you will take the fourth piece of cake too because friend is offering you. Yes, okay, you will have the fourth piece of cake. Remember, the first gave you initial utility, the second gave you total utility and the third piece of cake gave you marginal utility. Now the fourth piece of cake, you are completely full and your satisfaction level has reached to its highest. It is positive too. Marginal utility, it is positive. Yes, if the story would have ended by then, you are also happy, your friend is also happy. But what happens is, your friend will not stop at that point. He offers you one more piece of cake. That will be your fifth piece of cake. You will not hesitate, you don't want to disappoint your friend. Okay, with half-minded, you will accept the piece of cake and you will have that gives you zero satisfaction. So from initial to this level, the satisfaction level is changing. Please keep that in mind because we are coming back to a very important thing. We are relating it to in our daily life too. So zero satisfaction and then friend offers you one more piece of cake. That gives you, that is your sixth piece of cake which gives you negative satisfaction. So students, initial utility, total utility, marginal utility. Marginal utility is further divided into positive, zero and negative. So when the utility is negative, it is the time for economy, the manufacturer to decide that my product or service, it is no more liked by the customer. Your friend being an offering end, he should stop offering you a piece of cake. So this is very important concept in economics which decides the production, which decides the price, which decides the cost and which also decides the revenue. Students, hope you all have understood the basics of utility. Let us meet soon in the further videos, Law of Utility. Take care.